So you might be having an issue where for some reason you are not getting any sound on Instagram. So what does this mean? Well, maybe you're going through and you're playing a specific video that you're seeing on Instagram, or maybe you're watching somebody's story and these specific stories don't have any sound either. Now, the reason why this could be happening is for one, your volume on your phone may be super low. So the first thing I would recommend doing is going through and just tapping the volume up or down button while you're on Instagram. So sometimes if you're playing a video and there's no sound, that basically means you didn't have the volume up button or the volume down button, because I think Instagram by default doesn't play any sound until you actually interact with something. So what you can do here is go and just click the volume up button or the volume down button, and you should start hearing that specific sound either from the video here or from the story that you're watching. So that is pretty much the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, let's say that doesn't work. The next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure there's sound for the video in the first place. There's been many videos I've seen where I thought there was sound and there wasn't. So no matter how hard you click the buttons or whatever, that's probably not going to work either. So another thing I'd recommend doing on top of that is going through and actually updating Instagram. So what we can do here is go and click into our App Store, and we'll come into a panel like this. You can go into your Google Play Store as well. It's the same thing. What you want to do is click on the search bar, and all you want to do is go ahead and type in Instagram. So go and type in Instagram just like that. And what we're going to do here is we're going to click on Instagram, and we want to go ahead and update our Instagram application. And it is really this easy. Updating Instagram, by doing this, you'll probably go through and probably fix a few things in the back end, just from Instagram themselves. And if there was a widespread issue, they're probably going to address it and fix it here. Now, let's say there's no update or it's still not working, then I would recommend doing is going through swiping down from the top right, or in the Android's top, getting to your quick control center or whatever, and you want to go ahead and bring your volume as high as you can, and then you want to go ahead and see if it's still not working. If it's still not working, you may want to restart your phone, or maybe even try updating your phone and seeing if the volume is the issue on your device. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.